Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Stories from an Educator. In this series, I share a story that took place in my career in education, what I learned from it, and how it can be applied to you. This video is the last one for the 2023 to 2024 school year. Congratulations for completing this school year. There were 16 stories I shared throughout this year, and I have no doubt that you created even more stories in your classrooms. Saying goodbye to a school year can cause a variety of emotions: sadness at having to say goodbye to your students, happiness because summer break means time to rest and recharge. Perhaps, if you are like me, even a little concern about what the next school year will bring. Saying goodbye to one school year means that you also have the chance to say hello to summer and eventually a new school year. While we have to say goodbye for now, these videos will be available if you ever need them. As I said in each video, remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.